Yeah, definitely coming out. No, everything remains the same. I wish I did, girl. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade. Why when you're late, people don't want to drive? Why? Why when you're late, nobody's in a hurry when you're late? We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out. Say what you feel for say. Come me and say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Welcome guys to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. For all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy all my content over here. Go ahead and watch some of my previous vlogs, my previous videos, and go ahead and hit that like button as well. To my original OG fans over here, subscribers, followers, thank you so much for continuing with me on this journey. So today guys, as you can see behind me, I'm actually at Walgreens. I just dropped the kids, regular routine, no Target today. But I came by Walgreens because I did, they have this photo thing that you can actually have them print your photos by just going on their app. So I have this one photo that I want to print because Tavania's school is asking for a family picture. And I don't know if I'm the only one that has this problem, but when I put up stuff, I put stuff up so well that I can't find them when I really need them. So yeah, so I printed just one picture, and that's what I'm here for. Just one digga picture. So I just pulled up and I said, let me just let you guys know what's going on. So yeah, anyways, we're in fall already, guys. We're in fall. Fall actually started the 23rd of September, and as you can see on the journey here, the trees them start change color already. Let me show you. They start changing colors. You have a couple trees that already have different shades on their leaves. Like, look. So we're in fall. And fall started off like spring. It was just rain every day. Yesterday was all day rain. The place cold, the place gloomy, the place just feel love spring. Love some part of the fall. It's just chilly. Right now the temperature is 58 degrees and the highest is going up to 62 degrees. It was so cold the day before that I had to turn on the heat. And fall just starts. So you can manage what is gonna happen in Christmas. Can you manage? Huh? Anyway guys, I am here. Today is actually Tuesday. And I had to go to work yesterday. For the first time in almost a year and 6 months, I actually went on overtime back on first shift in my old department. It was very cool. Almost all the people that were there were my original associates. So it was very cool. But you're not tired? When I tell you that I am tired doing all that weekend shift, roughly 14 hours a day, and I have to wake up back. Yesterday, got the kids ready to go to school, head on to work, did another 8 hours. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Yesterday was supposed to be my editing day. Didn't get a chance to do that. Today, normally Monday would have been my do nothing day except for editing. I didn't get a chance to do that yesterday. Obviously, when I came home, I was so tired. I just had to go to bed. I was out of it completely. So today, I actually just want to stop here. I want to see. I don't know if I can actually. Oh, I left it. Oh damn. I left it. I have a 20% thing for Marshalls, and I was gonna go by there to see if I can get some jackets or some sweatshirts for TJ. The same time since the last time I've been trying to go to Marshalls, I still haven't reached yet. But I left it, and Marshalls still not gonna open until the next half an hour, and I'm really not gonna sit for that. So I may have to come back another day. But I'm trying to do a weekly vlog this week. And in this week, obviously, I'm trying to stop at Walgreens, grab that photo. We're going to go inside shortly. Today's Tuesday, so that means I may be doing some editing today because I didn't get a chance to do it yesterday. And tomorrow is Wednesday. I have my nail appointment tomorrow. And Thursday, guys, if you had followed me and watched all my videos and the one that I spoke to you a little bit too candid about, I told you about the IUD that I had to change because it was giving some problems, and all of the problems that was happening is happening again. Somebody just called the doctor and say, you know what, doctor, take it out completely. So that appointment is tomorrow, so I'm going to take that out completely and just be careful and go back to my plastic them. That's what's going to happen, because right now it's going on right now, and when I tell you I'm not in the mood to do anything, and it's just really draining and depressing, and I just can't. I didn't sign up for this. I did not sign up for this at all. So it's gonna come out. It got to come out. So that's tomorrow, and then I technically have just 3 days off this week, and then I'm back to work on Friday. You know. But enough talking. Let me just go to the place, because it'll get cold. I'm never really dressed for the weather person. Put on long sleeve shirt, but outside is giving cold. The kids are well warm and stuff, but let me just have run go down the place and come back out. Outside was cold. But let's go to this thing. Hello. Let's see if we can get some of this. No problem. Excuse me. Do we have anybody working in the photo area? Okay, thank you. You're sending somebody. Thanks. No. Hi. I'm here to pick up one photo. Keneisha.
Just 41 cents.
All right. Thank you so much.
Would you like the receipt?
Yeah, please. Thank you. Alright guys, so I am done. Just one negative foot, as I said before. Took a while before somebody come and assist us, but I got through. Yeah. So I am going back to the car. And again, because I don't have the coupons for Marshalls, I am not going to go over there today. So, yeah. Guys, every time I see a Honda Pilot like that, I remember my old car. I miss it so much. So we're back in the vehicle. One digga photo, 41 cents. It's 39 cents, but it's like plus tax, give you that. So I'm gonna go home and I feel for some waffles. And guys, oh, I remember to put my key in my bag this time. I didn't leave it in the car. I'm so proud of me. I'm turning this into a big girl. I'm just so proud of me. So proud of me. So I'm gonna go home, guys. I did tell y'all that I bought a waffle maker, and we've been making. Try call the house a waffle house. If not eat waffles, but many kids are making go up road. And Tavania is not a fan of it either, because I did just like the regular Belgian waffles. And she liked blueberry. So I bought a blueberry one, a blueberry mix to make her. She's still not ready to eat it yet. So I buy that from Amazon. Of course, Amazon and place. I bought that from Amazon. And I wonder if I should have just go so instead. I bought it from Amazon. And I also bought some pumpkin spice because it's fall. And I'm a pumpkin spice girl. Don't like fall, but love the flavors that comes out with fall. So I am going to go home and I'm going to show y'all me making my pumpkin spice waffle. Yeah. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to go home and we're going to get everything together. And we're going to go make some pumpkin spice waffles. Man, they can't go over there, so let me go on. Just in the middle. You just in the middle. I'm going to go so. Oh my God. Sure. These people, I tell you. So yeah, I'm going to go home and I'm going to get some pumpkin spice waffle. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited. I may put some whipped cream on it too. Got my powdered sugar ready. And got some maple syrup. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do. That's for breakfast. But there's a coffee. I'm not really feeling no coffee. I drink some tea this morning already. So I don't know what I'm gonna drink. I think we're out of juice too. But I'm gonna start with Target today. So that's just gonna have to be made another time. I don't remember what I have at home. I'm not sure if I need to drink water. I don't want no coffee. I don't want no milk. So I don't know. But I feel like today, all I'm going to be doing, I'm going to go home and I'm going to make some waffles. And I'm going to chill a little bit. I'm going to watch some TV a little bit. And then, later, I am going to start editing. Guys, please make sure to watch up the video them and like up the video them. Please, don't just watch. Please like the video them. I want to know when I'm liking them. And share them up. Please and thank you. I would really, really, really appreciate that. Okay. Make a girl grow and start make some money. I'm a non-profit organization, as my sister would call it. Right? And as my once smart boss would say, I gotta get my hustle on. So help me get my hustle on and move my non-profit to a profitable organization. Yeah, girl that grow. It took a long time for reach what my reach. Almost 2 years now. I'm just reached a 519 subscribers. Thank you very much, by the way. I'm not being ungrateful. Thank you very much. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted at all. Okay? I'm very grateful. But I just thought that I would have reached further by now. I don't know. But it's growing slowly but surely. You know, them say. Let me say. It's not. Oh God. I'm gonna endure. May I hold out? Yeah. Me are not the turtle. I'm not the turtle. No, I am not the hare. I'm definitely the tortoise right now. So yeah, may I hold out. Cause me know say we don't reach somewhere. And my original OG them were there from a long time. I know it's not all out with me. I appreciate it. I'm gonna tune in can't even say every week, but every time the video posts, I'm gonna tune in. I appreciate it. But see you know. Thank you very much. But make sure if you like the video, please and thank you. So I am heading home right now, and the place is just so gloomy. This feeling is given go to bed and sleep. Go to bed and sleep until yeah. So guys, I'm heading home. When I reach home, I will definitely come back to you guys where I'm doing my waffle. Yeah. Unhealthily spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it. What's up? Every good boy is a little girl. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up. What's up? Every good boy is a little girl. Every black boy is a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up. Hit 'em up. In the truck, got it tucked. You get it up. I can stop all night. I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past. I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Hey guys, it's the next day. So I'm actually running late. I'm actually running to the nail salon right now, running extremely late. Actually, I should have been there a minute ago. My appointment is at 11:45. It's now 11:46 to be exact. But I did call them to let them know I was gonna be like 10 minutes late. But the fact that I'm right here, literally just left my house, and the drive is 15 minutes drive. And I told her I was gonna be 10 minutes late. So I will be 15 minutes late for the appointment. But yeah, we're heading there now. Cold today, guys. That's why I said me I buckle up and stuff. You know, cold, but it's chilly outside. I'm not really a fan of turtleneck, but it's not all up on my neck right now. So yeah. Anyways, what was I gonna say to you? I was gonna say something. I don't remember what I was gonna say. Yeah, I was telling you I couldn't choose between two styles. So you see these two styles on the screen right now. Tell me what you guys think. By the time you see it, obviously I already have the nails. Let's come out to the line now, so go faster and then stuck over there, and they carry them past me. Why when you're late people don't want to drive? Why when you're late nobody's in a hurry when you're late? Isn't that crazy? Anywho, guys, I'm on my way. I was trying to see if I can record when I'm actually there. Since I'm late, I don't know how much we can actually do, because people are maybe mad already in the middle of more late, even later than what I told them I was going to be. So let's see. Guys, it's really fall. It's really like the trees are really turning already. I am not that person. I'm not going to do a fall video where I'm decorating. I don't decorate for fall. I don't decorate for any season but Christmas. And then in the spring we might just spruce up because, you know, you don't take on the thicker curtains and stuff like that. But apart from that, I don't really, no. And I'm not a Halloween person. I'm Jamaican. I don't celebrate Halloween. I'm not even going to say I'm Jamaican. I don't celebrate Halloween, because you have a lot of way where they follow the whole different tradition now and stuff like that. And yeah, but my family don't do Halloween. So the kids them, because of school, you understand that not every culture do the whole Halloween thing, so they call it like a costume party, but they ask the kids them to wear like a costume. I'll have the kids them do that, not necessarily because of Halloween, but because the kids are asked to do that. Just like when I ask for a pajama for my school, you understand? That's why I do that. And then I will have like maybe candies at home, just in case kids then pass through for trick or treat, because I don't want to be that host. You understand? So it kind of mixed up, but I will not go out to send my kids to trick or treat and dress up and decorate and stuff like that. No. And my kids understand that we don't celebrate Christmas. Tavania is not completely in the understanding yet, but she's getting there. Obviously, TJ already get the conscious and they're trying to explain it to her, but you know, she want just up and do all these things, and just like Wednesday and all of them stuff. Yeah. Why these cars not moving? Well, guys, I'll see you when I reach there.
Discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be.
Hey guys, so I am back home. These are the nails. This is the set. Yeah. think Nina did a great job. I tried to catch some stuff, and then she was like, "Are you recording me today?" And I'm like, "Not really. I was just trying to do a vlog." So she's like, "Oh, what? What is that?" So I had to explain that to her. But it kind of stopped because I didn't have my camera stand or my phone stand. Anyways, this is the one I chose to go with, and I'm gonna kind of just do this in one way because the picture didn't show exactly how it was. It just showed the blue parts, and I just didn't want the whole thing. And I changed like the tone of the blue. So yeah. Yes, I'm reach home. Good while now. Start straightening up a little bit, and I had some chicken breast that I took out to actually cook. I didn't know what I wanted to do with it. At first, I'm thinking that I wanted to do pasta. I'm not really know pasta. I don't know my FIFA. I really know my FIFA. So I was just talking to Troy just now, and him say, "You know what, babes, when I'm coming home, I'll grab something." She know, but I have to cook. You know, it's a girl excited and happy about that. I feel like I still gonna season the meat for something. I don't know, or am I just put the whole thing in the freezer? I don't know how I'm feeling about that yet. But I actually ran out the house this morning. I actually reached there like 10 minutes after 12. I remember girl appointment was supposed to be 12:45. I told them I was going to be 10 minutes late. So that should have been 12:55. I reached at 12:10. Yeah. But they didn't have any problem. Nobody cussed me out or anything. So that was good. And she never said a long time for my nails this morning. She claims that she drank 2 cups of coffee, so she good and she was energetic. So it was done in no time. So I'm just home straightening up. I ran out the house this morning. I was saying that I didn't get a chance to make my bed or anything. So I'm about to make my bed and just straighten up a little bit. And I just really feel so exhausted right now. I don't know. I actually know what's going on, but you know, I'm not in the mood at all to do anything. Tuesday, girl, I slept the whole day. After I see me eat the waffle, I had that. I tried watching a movie. I came to bed, and I slept the whole day. The whole day. I woke up 4 o'clock just in time to go pick up the kids. I did nothing, and then last night I actually tried to edit something because as I said, I'm trying to get back on being consistent on posting every Sunday because I feel like that works better. But because I work on Sundays, I have to make sure that it's done throughout the week and upload it. So I schedule it to be done, to be to actually start playing or be available on a Sunday. And that's what I did for the last vlog, and I think that worked perfectly fine. So I'm trying to do that for these vlogs going forward. And try to be consistent, as I said before. So yeah. So I actually was up like after 2, all the way up until after I cannot speak. Let me try that again. I was up till after 2 this morning. I finished editing, and I went and took a shower, and I went to bed. So I feel like that's the bottom me right now. Why I'm so tired too. So I'm going to finish, make up my bed, make up Tavana bed, and Tristan bed, because Tristan ran out, didn't make his bed this morning either. And wash up the plate now. I'm going to wash the dishes on Nina this morning. But I don't know if I'm going to do anything with the meat or I'm going to put it back. Yeah, I guess you'll see. So I'll see you in the next clip, guys.
The next day.
Number 2. Thank you. Yeah, definitely coming out.
Any changes with since I saw you last time? Just wanna
No, everything remains the same. I wish I did, girl. you wouldn't see me here.
do you need to
No. Alright, thank you. Hey guys, so I am at the doctor's. Just came and just waiting for him to call me. I'm a little bit late.
Miss Matos?
Yep.
Hello. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you?
But it just checked me in, so we're here to take it out. We're taking it out. It's going out. It's going out. It's coming out. And nothing else is going in. That's it. But I feel so productive today. Troy's actually with me. He came home early, so he's actually sending on Marshall coming with the whole recording thing. We know I'm stay. So I sent him out Marshalls. And yeah, so I kind of do something in the meantime. I've been so productive today. Today I dropped the kids from at school, came home, started some laundry, finished editing a video, left that to be downloaded, straightened up the place, did the dishes. I did so many things today. I'm so productive today. I'm so happy about what happened today. So yeah, I wanted to go buy Marshall by myself, so I wanted to come here a little bit earlier, but that never happened. Calculation never early for anything yet. But anyhow, I'm here. Let's pick up both of them. After I leave here, it's gonna be time to go pick up the kids. Tristan just texted me saying that he's leaving school right now, so we should be able to reach there. They shouldn't take long when we're out of here. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm inside. Just did my blood pressure and stuff, and waiting for the doctor. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be stripping from my waist down. So yeah, we're just waiting. So we're inside. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it out. Okay, we're back on the table again. So we're just waiting. Everything's off now, so we're just waiting. Okay, so it's gonna come out today. Yeah. Alright, so guys, we are done. It is out. And this doctor not easy. The doctor started telling me all different options that I have, right? So I'm like, no, I'm just gonna give it a break. She's like, let me tell you something. Don't get pregnant. Don't get pregnant. As a matter of fact, tell him to go do a vasectomy. And then, oh shit, he's going to first floor. Wrong floor. I need to go on the first floor. So she's like, as a matter of fact, tell him to go to the vasectomy. There's an office right next to us on the outside. Let him do that. Let him do that. Tell him that you tried what you need to do and now it's his turn. I'm like, so that picture that I just showed you, that was the suite. So see me right now, so I'm gonna vlog. So I'm gonna go pick up the kids right now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.